In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved place from Waze Live Map in Chrome. If you've saved locations in Waze and want to clean up your list, the good news is that the process is quick and straightforward. This can be helpful if you no longer need an old address, if a place was saved by mistake, or if you simply want to keep your favorites organized and easy to manage. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Waze Live Map website. Make sure the page finishes loading completely so all menu options appear properly. Using Chrome is helpful here because it tends to work smoothly with web-based account features like this. Once you're on the Waze Live Map site, sign in using your Waze account details. Be sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Your saved places are linked to your personal profile, so if you enter a different account, you may not see the location you're trying to remove. After you've signed in, look toward the top area of the page for your account profile icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to personal settings and saved items connected to your Waze profile. From the drop-down menu, select Saved Places or Favorites depending on how it appears in your version of the interface. Waze may use slightly different wording, but both options lead you to the section where your stored locations are listed. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you remove the correct place. Next to each saved location, you should see a trash icon. Find the location you want to delete, then click the trash icon beside it. This removes the saved place from your account. If you have several similar entries, it's a good idea to double check the name before deleting just to avoid removing the wrong one. After that, the location should disappear from your saved list. If it doesn't update right away, give the page a moment to refresh. In some cases, reloading the page can help confirm that the change has gone through successfully. And that's all it takes to remove a saved place from Waze Live Map in Chrome. It's a simple way to keep your account tidy and make navigation more convenient the next time you use your saved locations.